Hello and welcome, it's Kingsley here, and in this video we're going to be discussing why you must learn copywriting before starting out your business, especially on the internet. And if you stay to the end of this video, you're going to learn a lot of things that will prevent you from the so many struggles that a lot of people are going through in the name of making money on the internet. I hope you're ready. Yes. Welcome. If this is your first time of coming to this YouTube channel, just like I said, it's Kingsley Nemeka here. And yes, this YouTube channel is focused on bringing you internet business tips and ideas, how you can start making money on the internet with just your smartphone. And we also bring you the best suggestion on how to scale up your business by teaching you how to close a sale and taking your business to the next level with the skills of copywriting. If these are the topics that interest you, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that every time we upload a new video, YouTube is going to notify you first and you come and get the information. Remember, you need just information to get where you want to be next. So always stay tuned. Today, like no other, we are bringing you something very delicious, and you know we are full of information as usual. Today we are bringing you an information that is going to make you understand why a lot of people are struggling on the internet in the name of making money online. So today we are discussing why you must learn copywriting before starting out on your internet business. A lot of people who are making money today on the internet first of all started with the skills of copywriting. Anyone who is legitimately making money on the internet must have gone through the skills of copywriting. And so you may ask, what is copywriting? Well, copywriting is the act of selling with words. It is the act of writing compelling words that make someone who gets in touch with your product want to have that product. It goes a long way to run through the emotions, to creating an offer, to delivering descriptions and presenting benefits. Copywriting is totally everything that will help you succeed as a business owner. Have you ever seen an advert and it was so good that you couldn't resist it? All you did was to do what the person said you should do. The person said click learn more button, the person said sign up, and you were doing it. At the end of the day, the person presents his product and you bought it. If you have bought anything on the internet before, like on a landing page or on a website, that was the work of copywriting. So copywriting is the art of crafting compelling words that make people who you are looking for want to take action on the product you want them to have. So why must you learn copywriting? The very first reason why you should learn copywriting is because it is the bedrock of everything that is going to happen on the internet. It is the bedrock, and when we say bedrock, we mean foundation. A lot of people miss it at this point, and that is why they struggle on the internet. They just want to come online and make money, and it is usually not possible. When you just jump the process of learning what is foundational, you are always not going to get to the height where you want to be at the time you're supposed to be at that height. So copywriting is the foundation of everything you're going to be doing on the internet, from lead generation to sales closing to everything that you're going to do on the internet. It is copywriting that will assure 100% results. Go ahead and like this video so that more people will get to interact with it. You know we are here to deliver top-notch information for you all. All right, moving on to number 2 reason why you must learn copywriting is because copywriting is the only skills that help your communication skills. As a copywriter, one of the things I've learned doing copywriting is on how to engage people during a conversation. One thing that you should know about those you want to buy your product is that they have this entitlement spirit that they are coming to do you a favor, because they are coming to give you money, so they feel you should kill yourself for them or something like that. But let me tell you the truth. If you understand the skills of copywriting, you will know ahead of time that this is what these people are thinking. So you are not going to be worried when they are pouring it to your face that, yes, I'm here to do you a favor. You are going to be relaxed because you now understand the human emotion, how it works, and now you are relaxed to the point where you are able to take the sale to where it needs to be. Now, if you learn the skills of copywriting, it is going to help your communication skills to know what to say, how to say it, when to say it and the people feel all right. If I get on a call now with a customer, all I need to do is to do what I know how to do best, and that is what I learned as a copywriter. And at the end of the day, it is either truly the person doesn't have the money to buy the product, or the person buys the product. These two options, one always happens, and it was because I learned copywriting and I was able to improve my skills of communication. Do you see how beautiful the skills of copywriting is? Yes, you wouldn't want to miss it any day. So make sure in everything you do, always get the skills of copywriting before you start out on the internet. Because without the skills of copywriting, you are literally going to struggle on the internet, and that is a promise I'm making you, and it is true. So moving on to the third reason why you should learn copywriting is because it will help your research skills. As a copywriter, you will understand how to make researches of those you want to buy your product. This is where buyer persona comes in. When you are trying to create the image of those you want to buy your product, it is called customer avatar. If you understand the kind of people you want to get your product and how they should look like and where you should find them, then when you are ready to write a copy, it is just assembling you will do, not literally writing. And it will help you research well and know what to say, how to put it, and the right words to use for the audience you are looking for. These are the beautiful skills you gather when you learn copywriting, and there are more, but these are just the one I want to share with you at this moment. If you have subscribed to this channel, you're going to be learning more. I believe this video is helpful. Go ahead and subscribe. If you've not subscribed, you wouldn't want to miss. You are not giving us any money. All you need to do is to subscribe so that you don't miss any information that comes from this YouTube channel. And yes, we appreciate your time. If you are looking forward to learn copywriting for yourself, you should go to the description of this video. I have a link that will take you to a landing page where you read how you get access, you get the course for yourself, and you start. I will be your mentor, of course, and help you get where you need to be as far as writing copy is concerned. My name is Kingsley Nemeka, and I appreciate you so much for watching to this very point. If you wish to learn how to make 100,000 naira on a monthly basis, click this video and get the information for yourself right away. You know, we are here to bring you the best information on how you can start making money with just your smartphone. Thank you for watching, and just like I said to my students, I will say to you, chase knowledge first.